What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to edit notification panel on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, swipe down to open the notification panel. Now here click on this small edit option, and now you can edit the notification panel. So if you want to add more icon to the panel, then from here click on the add icon, and then that icon will be added to the notification panel. Now if you want to remove some icons or shortcuts from the panel, then click on the remove icon with the shortcut, and then that will be removed. And after customizing, click on this icon on the top right corner to save changes. So that's how you can edit the notification panel on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.